When you log in, this is your dashboard. Here at the top, we have overviews of the main features of the product. You can see our templates that you can go ahead and start using directly with the ready structure of the data and some predefined analysis. We would also encourage you to use this icon down here and give us some feedback with Hotjar, so that we can learn what's working and what's not working as you might like it to work, so we can make the product better for you. The way it works is you can just hit any template and you can see it selected here, give your project a name, decide to copy over the sample data that's within the template to have a starting point and it's easier to understand the project. Keep it private or share it with the community, choose an image, type in a description, and create your project. Even if you've clicked any of the templates, you can always switch it from here, and I'm just gonna go ahead, pick a blank project, and let's just call this management report. No sample data to copy, just gonna leave it private, gonna hit create, and it created my project, and you can see now that I'm within this project.